Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel NCERT Mitra. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the earthquake. It is very vital chapter regarding of the human life as well as your syllabus purpose. So before starting this chapter, actually we want to know the definition of the earthquake. Perhaps you know any sudden vibration or the movement of the parts of the earth crust caused by the natural or the human made stresses resulting the violent tremors and the shaking of the earth. So vibration of the earth, normally one thing you can say, the vibration of the earth in maybe the any causes. Okay, so any causes that can be start. Okay, that can be start. So these are the vibration of the earth. It is known as the what? That is known as the earthquake. Okay, so earthquake is a sudden, sometimes violent and movement. You consider the earthquake, and an earthquake occurs when energy is stored in the earth and sometimes released. So there's a study of the earthquake, somehow you know, and the waves are create is called the seismology. Okay, scientists who study earthquake are called the seismologists. So this thing we have to understand a lot. Okay. Next slide, you can see that some of the, you can see the scientists or the geographers, perhaps you can say, they have given the widely definition or the worldwide definition of the earthquake. A. Holmes, Arthur Holmes, these are the one of the greatest scientists who gave the concept regarding the convectional current in the interior part of the earth. An earthquake is a passage of the vibration from the source of the sudden disturbance of rocks. Okay, that is given by A. Holmes or the Arthur Holmes. W.J. Miller, according to him, what is the earthquake? A sudden movement of the portion of the earth crust due to the natural causes and which produces the shaking and the trembling of the ground is called an earthquake. So W.J. Miller, it is said by the W.J. Miller. Then come to the another, you can say an earthquake is a motion of the ground surface ranging from the faint tremor to the wild motion capable of shaking, building apart and causing gapping fissures to the open of the fountain. So AN and the AA Steller, they also actually one of the, you can see the geographer Steller. So these are the main thing we have to study, the definition of the earthquake. Okay, so there we can say. Then if you discuss the earthquakes, so some from you can see the factors or some you can see the components or tools we have to also study. That is the terminology, you can say, that is the focus and the epicenter. The point within the earth where the earthquake originates, that is called the focus. Okay, the point where the earthquake, perhaps you can see in my background diagram, there you can see that is this area where the earthquake originated. This area is known as the two plates are coming each other, and due to this fact, this area that is called the focus. Okay, that is called the focus. Okay, so this thing, the point of the projection according to the surface of the epicenter. So on the above of the epicenter of the 90 degrees straight to the, you can say the from the focus of the earth surface straight to the earth surface, this is known as a epicenter. So epicenter, always you can say, you have to remember that is the earthquake, you can say epicenter. Okay, from straight to the focus, that is called the, and that is the surface of the earthquake. Okay, means the first area where the earthquake is observed on the earth surface. Okay, so this thing we have to understand a lot. Okay, so these are the main thing. Perhaps you can say that is the one judge is the magnitudes of the destruction. May 13 once 1917, the North Peru, that the resulting the 66,000 dead. So these are the one of the largest earthquake occurs in the India. Number of earthquake occurs in India are the worldwide. So in one of the Peru is one of them. Okay, so these are the, in July you can say the 1976 casualties in Shanghai, China. That's the earthquake is the 250,000 people died. So you can say the intensity that can vary one area to another area. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. Okay, second you can say the how we measure the earthquake. So there is no prediction. We cannot predict the earthquake, when it will come, when it will go, it is not, we cannot say. Okay, but some of the animals or the insects behavior, we can easily understand the earthquake is about to come. Okay, so these are the animal behavior, but one of the only we can measure the earthquake. Okay, how we can first instrument, perhaps you can see, that is the earthquake perhaps you can see over here, that's one of the instrument, okay, by which you can say in my background one paper is blown in the floor, and somehow there is a movement or to the earthquake, motion due to the earthquake, and after that this you can say the heavy mass resisted motion or the pain is connected, and when it is the shaking, so that time the earthquake is measured on that paper. Okay, these are the one of the method by which we can measure the earthquake or that their intensity as well. Okay, in so far you can say the seismography, you can say the seismograph, one of the another instrument by which we can also measure the earthquake. Seismograph 0 to 1, 1 to 2, actually the 0 to 1, that time if the earthquake you can see the cross the 1 to 2, so that time the intensity crosses 10 times. Okay, 1 means the here the 10 times, 0 to 1 means the 10 times, and previous 10 times, or 1 to 10 to 20, or 1 to 2 means the previously it was the 0 to 1 means the, and now it has come as the 1 to 2 means the you can say the 10 times intensity increase. Okay, perhaps you can say some of the seismograph instruments like that, that was the ancient method, actually medieval method. That time it's a paper chart has been given, and these are always you can 24 hours the paper have to change, and after that what happened, this paper is moving, this rotating drum, you can say that this is moving 24 hours. After that the pendulum was pendulum is also set up, and after that when there is any type of shaking, so that time it has started to shake. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. Okay, so perhaps seismograph, what is seismograph? Seismograph is an instrument by the recording the vibration of the earthquake and the state of the strength of the earthquake. It is measured. Seismogram, the tracing, one of the paper tracing of a earthquake motion that is created by the seismograph. So these are the seismogram, and total instrument is called a seismograph. Okay, perhaps you can see in my background I have shown some of the diagram, the intensity of the earthquake intensity based on the modified Marconi method. That is the one of the method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the Richter scale, that is the up to 8. Okay, so this thing we have to up to 10. So there you can say the 0 to 2 we cannot feel anything, then 2 to 3 felt a little bit by the people, 3 to 4 ceiling fan swing. So 3 to 4 that time we can observe that our ceiling fan is the light swing. 4 to 5 wall cracks. Okay, now 5 to 6 that is the furniture moves, and 6 to 7 most of the collapse occurred, and 7 to 8 that is the many building destroyed, and up to 8 total destruction of these bridges, roads, etc. Okay, so these are the main intensity of the earthquake according to this Richter scale. Okay, Richter scale. So there are two scale we can that is the Richter and the Mercalli scale. So Richter scale, what is the most widely known as the rating earthquake is the Richter scale. And Richter, one of the scientists, he invented this method. Actually, he just according to this you can say Richter scale rates earthquake on the scale 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10 on the basis of the seismic wave created. Seismic wave are measured by the instrument called the seismograph. We already discussed a lot about this. An instrument we already discussed. Bigger of the waves created the earthquake, and higher the number on the scale. Each time you move of a number of Richter scale, shaking earthquake gets the 10 times stronger. Means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 5. Means every time we can consider that is the 1, but the gap will be the destruction power will be the 10 times of the previous one. So that thing we have to understand a lot. Okay, that means if you 2 times means the shaking of the 100 times, 10 into 10, 100 times, even the, so this thing we have to understand. It is every accurate part of the 7. So these are the 7. So these are the, you can say the another scale, perhaps you can see that scale you can say the Mercalli. Okay, modified Mercalli. That scale is 1 to 12. Okay, 1 to 12. Instrument declared only by instrumental, detected only you can say the by the instrument. So first thing, the detect can be 0, 1. Very feeble, noticed only by the people at rest. If you are resting, if you are just sitting in a calm position, so that time you can feel slight. It is very felt by the like passing the truck. Okay, when your truck is passing through you, that time the shaking will be there. That will be the human made, but that type of shaking you can feel. Generally perceptible by the people. Loose object disturbs. So first thing, the loose object whatever around you that start to disturbed, okay, rather strong, the dish is broken, bells rung, okay, pendulum clocks are stopped, people awakened, okay, so strong, felt by the all, and some people pretend damage slight, and that can be some of the plasters, okay, very strong, noticed by the people if the autos damage and the poor to the poor consultation. Destructive, when that is the measure is the 8, okay, 8 means the chimneys falls, much damage in the area, that also start to fall, furniture overthrown. Number 9, ruinous, that is the great damage to the substantial, so that you have to understand. Disastrous, many, you can see the buildings are destroyed, and very destructive, that is the 11, that's a very few of this that can left standing. And catastrophic, there are total destruction, means the one city, that type of, we can see the earthquake we observed in 2015 in Nepal, in the, that was the Pokhran, okay, started, and Nepal, you can see the widely disturbed due to this fact, okay. So this thing we have to understand a lot, okay. So these are the modified, one of the comparison I have been already given, that the between the Richter scale and, you can say, the modified Mercury scale, okay. So this thing we have to, so in the case of the you can say the Richter scale 0 to 10, and in the case of the Mercury, the scale will be the 1 to you can say the 12, okay. So this thing we have to study. Thank you for watching this video.